Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today, tip or trick is going over thermometers. Now, I know that thermometers, I don't even want to say I want to get a bad reputation. I don't think they get a bad reputation. I think that we just kind of forget to use them sometimes, but they're a really good tool to have. And I love an instant read thermometer. This is Thermopen. This is not an ad. I started using Thermopen because I used to work at America's Test Kitchen, and they tested out all these different thermometers, and Thermopen was really one of the best ones to use. Little tip, they're usually on sale at Amazon around Christmas time, so if you do want to try one, what I want to go over though is the instant read thermometers. So if you don't already have a thermometer and you're thinking about adding it to your budding amount of items that you already buy, go for instant read because it reads at the tip of the actual thermometer and not anywhere else. So if you have an old school thermometer or older thermometer, you might have an indentation somewhere here. That means you have to have your item in from the tip to the indentation. So let's say it's here. Whatever item that you're temping has to be at least this thick. Otherwise, you can't take a good temperature. Instant read thermometers, that's all you want to type in when you're going to Amazon. That's all you want to look for at the store when you go. Tell them instant read. It's going to read at the tip. So I can do everything from liquids to a thin piece of fish, anything reads at the tip, and then that's it. The other one that I go over, because I do a lot of grilling and a lot of smoking, is your infrared thermometer. My friend got me this one for a birthday present a long time ago. Still use it all the time. And these are great. My only thing to talk about with this is they are great to do the surface area temperature. So I use them, like I say, if I'm grilling or if I'm smoking, but it's not amazing to use all the time because most of the time we want to know the internal temperature, right? So that's why you need to have this one. So if you had to pick one or the other, like you're trying to decide, the instant read thermometers would do more for you. I think the infrared thermometer is a great tool to have if you do a lot of smoking and grilling, because then I can just check the outside of the temperature, see where we are on the outside, because I'm usually cooking from the inside out. I still need to know the internal temperature for a lot of things, but it gives me a nice little reading. It's also great for if you're doing soups or sauces to just instantly just check what the temperature on the top is, because once again, most of the time we're warming soups back up. It will start at the bottom because that's where the heat is coming. Once you're stirring, you're kind of mixing it all together. So if I take that temperature on top and it's still very low, I need to continuously warm it up. So this one has a lot of great uses, and it's also a cool gadget to have. But I would say out of the two, this one definitely has more diversity that I can use it for, and it has a lot more range. So it can go from anywhere from doing candy to I can also use it on the grill and other things as well. So today we're just talking about thermometers, making sure that you understand that we don't want to get rid of them. It's not an old school method of doing anything. If you are investing in new thermometers, just make sure you look for instant read. And then don't forget, you don't really need the infrared unless you're doing things specifically for it, but it's also a cool tool to have as well. So hopefully you enjoyed today's tip or trick. I will see you next time. Once again, thank you so much for everything, coming back every single week. Hope you've been enjoying everything. See you.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.